Hi and welcome to my PlayHouse. And today we're gonna be playing with this storage server. It's an Lenovo X3550 Model 4 and it has all these drives attached to it, and that is gonna be running Exponology. Exponology, the version that I put in here, I think it handles about 12 disks. That's not enough. There is 2 times 24 disks right here. And the server itself has 4 drives and room for 4 drives more, and maybe I even want to put a couple of drives inside. So I need to expand Exponology to see a lot more drives, and that is possible. So we're gonna go into the computer and try and make that happen.
At the computer here, I have logged into the Synology server out there, and we can start the control panel. We need to go in there in just a bit, but before that we could just see what the storage looks like now. Here we are. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 11 available slots plus 1, that's 12. So we want to add quite a few. 48 drives in right now, plus the 4, we are at 52. Let's just add the 4 more that can go in there. That's 56. And plus 2 that might be, that's 58 drives that I really want to have available. That's a lot. But let's see if that is possible. To do that, we have to go into Exponology and do some ninja tricks. So we need to access this box through its guts. So we need to go in here and activate SSH. There is probably other better ways to do this, but let's activate that. Here we go. It's activated. Okay, now we should be able to log in using something like PuTTY. There we are. And we just enter the IP number of the NAS. Open. What we really want to do is log in as root, but it seems that account is not available yet, so we have to log in as admin, which is available, and we will use the password that we have made when we installed Exponology on the system. There, we are in as admin. Then we need to activate the root account on this Exponology. So we do an sudo line, and we should be asked to enter the password again. We will do that. That's the administrator password, or the admin password. There, we get a funny root thing here. So now we have to set up a password for the root user, and we do that by typing in sudo user, set password for root, and we put in a password. Let's call it my PlayHouse, and then we need some numbers, so let's put in number 10 and just something admin. There, it took that one. So I'll now try and exit, log out, log out. We'll try that again. PuTTY. We should save this address, and we will try and log in as root with the new password, my PlayHouse 10, and we're in. Awesome. So we have enabled the root account on this Exponology box. So we are gonna go on to editing the files that we need to edit. Now that we're in here, we need to go edit a couple of files. At least we need to edit one of them. I have seen a couple of tutorials on this, and one of them he only edits one of these files, but we're gonna try and edit both of them. I do believe that I need the practice for this. So we're gonna change our directory. We have to go down into the etc folder. So we're gonna cd to etc. So not, oh, that must be because we are in some kind of directory. There. Okay, now we are in the root directory and there is a etc. Let's go in there. There we are. And we have to edit the file that's called synoinfo.config. And we're gonna try and use this VI editor. There. And we can kind of see what it says. We have to add some more drives. So we have to look for something called max drives. And that should be set for 12. Maximum drives. Did we pass it? Okay, found the maximum disks. So I was looking for something completely different. And I have calculated that I need 58 disks for this. In this VI editor, you press I to go into insert mode. And now you should be able to change stuff. And it seems so. 58. And then you press escape to get out of insert mode again. So this is kind of a line editor. It's well, I haven't played with anything like this since Edlin, and that was a long time ago. Now we need to go find something else, because the exponology boxes sees these different drives in different matters. So we need to go find somewhere where it says something about there's internal drives, there is USB drives, there is eSATA drives. So I will find those and be right back. So here we are. I found the things that I was looking for. This eSATA port config, and further down we have this USB port config, and there we have the internal disk config. Each of these numbers are in hexadecimal, and I've copied them down here. So if we look at these numbers and change them to binary, we have 0011 for the first one. Then we have the second one, and we have the third one. There, and we will add some zeros for this to line up. There's something wrong here. Okay, there is a line of zeros too much. There we go. And what you can see here is that this is internal hard drives. And as this box already has 12 internal hard drives, that's what we are seeing here. It marks here that there is 12 of those. And then it has 8 eSATA ports, and those are marked here as those. Then there is 2 USB ports available, and it's as if all of these are being addressed in this weird way. So I need to expand this to give me more drives. The maximum drives seems to only matter about these 12 drives here. The rest of it is just mingling that around. So I've been doing a bit of pre-work, and I've made that down here. That's a lot of numbers. I don't know. I hope I can copy this into the program. that would be neat. So we have the internal disks here. I will have to convert this to hex, and it will not be as hard because it's just ones and zeros, but I'll just do that and be right back. Oh, as you can see, I have not added any eSATA drives. I don't believe that I'm gonna be ever needing that, so I haven't added any. Just converted that to hexadecimal, and it's still some long numbers, so we will try and put these in. I'll copy this, see if we can put this into the USB. Where are the USB section? Start there, and we will insert, and we'll delete the ones that are there, and it works. Awesome. That's a lot less work for Morten. So I think 0 is enough for the eSATA. So let's try just to put in a 0 in that. eSATA was up here. There. No eSATA ports needed. And down here, the internal ports. The 0x is part of the other programming, so I'm just gonna put this in. 14 Fs and a 3. Insert mode, and put that in. Cool. And we will exit. Yes, that's good. That's about it for adding drives. So we have to get out of here. So we have to write. So to get in back in command mode, we can use this semicolon and write and quit and hit it, and we're out again. So it should have stored our file. We have to go and edit another file, and that file is in another directory, so we have to go out. I'm not totally sure if this is necessary, but I did see it. So we need to go into the etc.default and do the same thing to a file, to the same file in there. So we will vi there, found the same file. Let's go down and find the maximum drive thing. Maximum disks it's still called, sorry. Insert mode. 58 drives. Got that. Go further down and find those weird hexadecimal. There we are. And we need those. The USB things here. USB. There. And the internal. I fucked that one up. Borrow that. And we will go up here to this one and just do that. So cool. Escape. Last line. Right, quit. Go. So now it should be enough for me to exit this and reboot the Synology box. That's gonna be very interesting to see if how that works out. So we're gonna try that. restart it. Sure? Yes. We will be back when it has restarted. I'm crossing my fingers. It has booted, and we're gonna try and log in and see if this worked. I am very curious. I've never tried this before. It's the first time. Do we have a lot of drives? We have a damn lot of drives. So I guess it's working. I have just one drive in it right now, but now I'm getting ready for the next part of the task, that's for sure. 58 drives available, or 57 drives available. Awesome.
Now that is really fantastic. 58 drives in a NAS box. That's gonna be one hell of a NAS box. But yeah, I'm getting ready to do that. In the next video, I'm gonna try and pass through all of these 48 hard drives to the Exponology NAS box. So stay tuned. And thank you very much for watching my videos. Do subscribe to my channel so that you can see me again. And have a really nice day. Bye bye.